Yo, 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 yo. What's going on, everybody? What is going on? Let me share a link quick with the community. Uh, Things are looking juicy right now. I don't know. I don't know. People, people are saying up. It's looking up on some time frames, then on the others, it's looking down. I don't know. Sometimes maybe good. Sometimes maybe shit. All right, let's take a peek. Bitcoin. Let's go back out to the weekly. Let's just start fresh, man. Let's just do it. I'll adjust that as I see fit. Actually, let me pull up let me pull it up so I can grab the chat here because I don't know how to do it on OBS per usual. Pop out the chat. All right. I have a headache. I drank too much last night. Silly softball, but we won, guys. We won. 7 inning game. We were home team, bottom 7. We won 10-11 or 11-10. It was fun. It was a fun day. Cool. Cool. All right. So weekly, 5-day, it's potentially still putting in that curvature, right? This can roll over. This can shoot up. We still got to wait for this to actually start playing out. But to me, it's kind of giving both vibes, right? We got money flow crossing over and back into the green, blue in my case. But then again, we got hidden bearish divergence, higher time frames. To me, that stuff plays. Not always, but sometimes, right? Especially here, we're still in this daily order block, bearish daily order block. May I add? Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of this. Got a red dot, green dot playing here, but we got another red dot coming in on the 3-day. The 2-day, same jazz. Money flow is coming up though, but we still got our hidden bearish and then our actual immediate kind of like I don't know if I'd call this bearish, but this is like an exaggerated style of oscillator movement, right? When we're making higher highs like pretty aggressively and it's just staying flat. And that could just mean we're cooling off. The daily, same thing oscillator wise, momentum waves cooling over, but I mean we could print a green dot here and roll up. The money flow is still looking strong. 16-hour, same jazz. 12, I'll shoot down towards kind of like towards the 4-hour unless I see something crazy. If we do come down more, I'll be looking for a trigger wave. That's for damn sure for higher highs. On the 12, the 10-hour looks like it could be getting ready for it. 8-hour, same jazz. 6 hours already printing that green dot. Money flow is coming up. This could be a pretty good trigger wave. But here's my concern. Look at the 4-hour, guys, right? We got downward curvature. Money flow, it's kind of flat, but it's kind of flat on the downside, right? It's coming out a little bit. We had the trigger wave, but this can just roll right over. And what happened? Right? We broke bearish on the 4-hour, right? We come up, down, we broke. This is a retest zone to go down lower. What happened with that? We broke bearish. I don't love that. On the 5. Boom, boom, boom. We broke bearish. Are we going to retest higher? I don't know. But we broke bearish, guys, right? We came into the zone. What is this? This is supply. Short supply. And I'm not showing my face because I'm kind of eating and I also look like dog shit. So we broke bearish. We broke bullish. Yes, we did break bullish, but we came into our zone and we broke bearish again. So that tells me you take it down. And that could be, we could take it down. Oops. Well, we could try. We could try and take it down to a long, somewhere, I would say somewhere like here. Or it could go even lower. Because if like I said, you zoom out, you look at the hourly, if this truly is, if we broke bearish, we've got liquidity, we come up, we make a lower high now, right? This would be our lower high. Then we're set to break this, and then we should be coming for this guy, and then we come for this guy, and potentially bouncing one of those. But that's the way I'm looking at it. That's the way I'm looking at it. Now, can we go higher? You know, could this be a false break? Came down, grabbed this order block here, and now we go a little bit higher? Absolutely. Right? We can go up higher, grab more of this liquidity up here somewhere before potentially rolling over or potentially, you know, shooting off to the moon. Like I said, we have a mixed bag here. These trigger waves in the higher time frames are nothing to mess with. This money flow in the higher time frames are, you know, they're great leading indicators. Even if we drop down, right? Because it's a higher time frame, so like the 4 hour can play out, and it can still kind of coincide and slide in with a 2 day. So just something to keep in mind. But this is, I repeat, this is a short zone, guys. No one wants to hear it, but it's the same thing as over here, right? We come up. Oh, look, you know, we're got all the oscillator coming down, but look, we have head and shoulders here. We got momentum coming back up. We're going all-time highs. We could, but things aren't really pointing that way right now. Money flow is yes, but oscillator waves are not, and the bearish break right now has me thinking we're not there right now. Maybe not today. It may happen. I don't know. I mean, we had numbers come out today, right? That can disregard everything, and just do what it wants to do. What that is, I don't know. But like I said, we broke bearish on the 4 hour, 2 hour, the 1 hour, and 30 minute, and this is all still bearish, right? This would still be a lower high. So I have to play it as such. That's just what I have to do. I gotta stop deleting this shit when I get to the higher time frames, because then I gotta redraw it all. Long demand. Sorry. Buddies went fishing last night. They're just letting me know how they did. Reading the text. Blacked out for a second. Let's see what the 4 looks like. See, I don't love this. I don't love the way that looks. But we could play. Right, we could play. What the hell's the oscillator doing? There you go. Rise and shine. Rise and shine. Yeah, so that's how I'm looking at it, guys. I'm going to post this to the community right now. Give you guys a sneak peek on it. Something a little late to the party, but that's okay. Copy. At the Bear Gang, baby. Why is this thing all fucked up? There it is. Move it over. Move it over. For this. Forward it. Boom. Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. That's why I'm looking at. That's how I'm looking at. However, Look at this Sui shit, man. Sui's actually looking for this the freaking same. It's looking the same. Boom, boom. 2 minute broke bearish. I know that. 1 minute broke bearish. I know that. So with the Sui stuff, it's the same Jimmy Jazz, except I feel like there's just less of the boo shit here. So I'm gonna be looking like this right here. This is my zone. That's what Daddy wants right there. And I did not get short much before I got on the live here. It's nothing crazy. I'm gonna fully target this guy here, this top of this order block. It's like an 8-to-1. Can't complain. You cannot complain. Okay, cool. Looked like the audio wasn't working for a second. We got anybody in here? Or am I talking to myself? I'd love to talk to myself. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not against talking to myself. Hit that thumbs up. Give me a yo-yo in the chat. Give me a fuck you. Give me something. Let me know if I'm singing to myself. What about? I know Ethereum was looking the exact same, but right, remember we talked about this too, guys, on Link, right? If we SFP this, Jimmy, bearish divergence confirmed now, or it's about to. Well, to me, this is confirmed. I don't care about the red dot. Like this is rolling. Doesn't mean it has to play, but it's confirmed to me. I don't care about those red dots. They don't matter to me. Right? We came up, we SFP, we broke bearish. The question is, are we going to come up higher for a retest or not? 30-minute, boom, boom, boom. SFP this high. This could just be the roll right here. Solana, same shit, right? Did we SFP this? I think we did. Yeah, we did. I don't know why it's... Yeah, it is. I don't know why it's not pulling this leg here. That's okay. 4 hour, broke bearish, retest. It's all looking the same, guys. That's all I could say. It's all looking the same. Ethereum's pretty clear to me, right? We came up to this area here. We're rejecting off of the value area low of the macro range here. Okay. Pull it how you will. Say it's valid, say it's not valid. I do not care. It's my chart, and I'll do what I want. What did I want to show you guys? I saw it. I synced it with my eyes. Yeah, we broke bearish. We tapped into this supply zone right here, right? We tapped into it, flip bearish, double top SFP, and then here we are. We broke bearish inside of that again, right? So this is the double top, boom, boom, the SFP, the bigger supply. We broke bearish, and what did we do? We came up towards this supply here, came up, and then you drop down to the 2 minute, and we're still waiting for this flip here. But the 1 minute flipped, flip, and then we SFP'd the high, but this is this is a bounce zone, so we got to see. But to me, it's all lining up for like a perfect short, maybe too perfect. I don't know. This needs to cool it though. This needs to relax. Yeah, Sui, 2 hour order block. There's a 1 hour too. I think a 30-minute as well. Excuse me. We didn't quite touch it, but there's a fair value gap here, right? We have a gap. Came up. We flipped bearish, right? We came up, grabbed liquidity again. Flip bearish, 2 minute. We flip bearish, right? We could be coming up to come back down. Once again, I don't know. But this is what I'm looking at. And to me, these higher time frames, yes, they look bullish, but these lower time frames look like they want a little cool off. Which will prevail? I don't know. I'd prefer to come down to grab long, whether it's to come down into here or just grab like this liquidity from here. But if we can get down to one of these key levels and we can grab like a 2 or 5 minute flip, I'd be very interested. Yeah, I'd be interested. We did have numbers today. Let's see what they were. Okay, they're gone. I guess whatever. I think it was like core inflation and whatnot. I peeked at it yesterday, but I didn't really pay attention to too much. I need an Advil. I need an Advil now. Yeah, that's the good stuff right there. What's Bitcoin doing here? A little bounce. A little bounce. Yeah, look at this freaking trigger wave here, guys. This could be the move. It really could. That would be pretty sweet. I would like that very much. You know what I'm saying? I like that very much. And like, here's the other thing too, right? If you're we're looking at SUI here. You go to the 4 hour. We got bearish divergence from all the way back here. Let's pop out a little bit, right? All the way out here. So is this not the zone to stop in? Is this just like bearish divergence? We're going to break this, retest, and come back down towards this demand down here. I wouldn't hate it, considering I'm short. I wouldn't hate that. You zoom out, it makes perfect sense, right? Come down, break bullish, we retest demand, we go. So if we are bullish, this bearish or this bullish retest is not a bad thing. If anything, it's just giving us more opportunity. Interesting, right? What's Bitcoin looking like on the higher? What's up, Brett? Yeah, same thing here, kind of all the way down here. We got bearish, we still come up. We got still got bearish divergence coming out still. I mean, we could be coming down towards this guy down here would be juicy. Real juicy. Is it a daily too? No, 16 hour. That's a 16. 10. No. I'm just going to mark it as a daily and we'll get over it. No, I'll just put demand, log demand. It's all right. She can get wild. I don't know. I know everyone's calling for higher highs, but it's like we broke bearish. It could be a fake out 100%, but like we literally broke bearish. Like these trigger waves are, we go to the 8 hour, right? These potential trigger waves, a 6 hour trigger wave here. Like this is what everyone's looking at. Everyone who trades the oscillators, like, oh, we're going higher. It's like, yeah, we could. We could. But structurally speaking, right now, it's just lining up for a short. Right? This lined up for a long. We never came back and gave us the retest, but like, we came down, come up, come up, come up. We retested, came down. We broke bullish again. Baby retest, if you could have figured out how to get in here for some reason. And then we go, right? This was your long. This was your long. Down here, this was your long. Retest right here, right? Internal, boom. This is short. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. I'm going to get rid of this because we have the fib pull here. It's lining up the same. Yeah, it was the weekly open. We had a daily naked point of control here. We had the hourly order block I just got rid of. Something like this, guys. This would be spicy meatball. Let's see. Come down. If you could have. I mean, even if you got short here, right? What you could do is you can just do this. Cover that high. And if we go higher, you get back in up here, right? That's why risk management's key, because your R&R would be crazy. It's okay to lose the trade to then, get a better entry. Let me get rid of Argus. What's up, Jet? I have a headache. All right, Soul. Yeah, beautiful double top. Beautiful retest. What do you think, guys? Is Brian a stupid bear? Hmm? Maybe. I mean, for the record, if this happened bullishly, I'd be jumping all over a long too. It's just it's a key area, right? These are all key areas. One key area, two key area. You can get rid of this. It's a fib. Golden pocket. What's XRP looking like? We SFP this guy? We SFP this guy? We did SFP that guy. Come on, man. Yeah, see? It's funny how these work sometimes, right? Resistance, resistance, support, support. Linkaroony. Yeah, SFP, that big boy. Broke bearish, double top to break it down. So are you agreeing with these guys? Are you agreeing with these guys? Or are you just breaking bullish? Did I enter the wrong asset? Excuse me. Sorry, guys. Still 1 hour looks pretty good. You see the 1 hour on Link. I like this curvature a lot more than I do on Sui. What about Sol hourly? It's more Link-like. Cardano hourly. Wow, this actually looks even better. Let's see if the oscillator agrees. This is actually interesting. It could agree, right? Flat top, flat top, flat top as we're moving up. Well, this one's not a flat top, but right, we're moving up, flat. We're moving up, flat. Higher high. This is definitely divergence. Maybe not. This little peak here. We can count it. That's okay though. And then Erythrium, hourly. All right, same jazz here. There's an oscillator reset to me. This is bearish, hidden bearish divergence, right? We have a higher high, lower high, lower high, higher high, right? This could be a reset for a dump. Like I said, I could be completely wrong. We can just blast off. Get that on the 15. Centered. Bitcoin. Let's watch this guy for a minute. I'm trying to see if I think we're going to go higher because we SFP'd this low. If I should TP here and look for a re-entry up top a little more. You know, if we're going to have another, maybe we're going to come into this box here. Hold on, guys. I'm going to mute for a second. All right, I'm back. What are you guys thinking? You guys think I'm crazy? You guys kind of agree? You see something completely different? Let me know. Let's argue about it. And yes, I am in the kitchen right now. Gotta get some water. Water. That's good stuff. I think my call is pretty good here. I really do. I think if I get stopped out, I get stopped out with a smile actually, because it's this. I'm seeing this clear as day. Right, 1, 2, 3, model 1, 6 minute. So we could have like a little pump into, like I said, up and then down again, but this stuff is just ready to roll. I mean, you can honestly pull it from here. What are you doing? Coming up for your touch. Your BB touch. There's a cranky man outside. I don't understand why people walk around on speakerphone just screaming at the phone. Or sit in your car, go in your house. I don't want to hear it. These are my zones. Oh boy. I don't know, guys. I'm fucking tired. And I didn't even stay late and drink that many beers. I just didn't eat dinner. Getting old. Tom Crown is live right now. There's a SEC crypto roundtable meeting. Oh boy. I did not know that. It's not great. Not great. I'm gonna tune into it. You guys wanna listen to that? Let's do it. I won't show it, but I'll just I'll let you hear it. We'll listen to it. Right, maybe he's not. Where'd it go? No, he's not live right now. This is 19 hours ago. This is yesterday. Why the heck did it just pop up like it was live now? Well, that's better then. That makes me happy. Oh, come on. Quit fucking around and just do it. Oh, fuck. Bitcoin really ripping right now? What the fuck? So that looks good. What's the one that look like? Beautiful. Up to the extreme SFP at golden pocket. Let's see if that continues. Bitcoin. Let's go to the 2. Excuse me, guys. Sorry. Give me an SFP, nothing, but we count to the extreme. I mean, we can't really go any higher unless we're flipping market structure. Do or die now. I gotta be missing something. Why is it? Why are we doing this? What am I missing? Anybody watch Brewberry? Was he this morning? Anybody watch him? What is he thinking? I haven't tuned into him in a while, but I know I do like his TA. There's okay. The signs are here, guys. The signs are here. Just set it and forget it type of thing right now. Just got to go with the flow. Yeah. There's a nice rejection here. And this is just lining up too. Like it just needs to happen. Do it. Die. It's 11 o'clock. I mean, it's looking a little volatile for almost lunch. Wouldn't this be crazy if this is really just a lower high, guys? People are gonna lose their fucking minds. Oh boy. They're gonna lose it. Excuse me. Guys, I want to take a nap. I just woke up. I didn't just wake up. I've been up for a few hours. But I feel like I just woke up. Excuse me. This may look like it wants to curve up a little bit. We'll see. We shall see. Okay. Bitcoin. Oh boy. I hate these games. Just fucking go. You know what I mean? Just give me my money or take my money. Pick one. Just do what you want. Do what you're gonna do. Just do it now. Do it. Need more coffee. It's kind of chilly in here. What's going on? Dump, baby. Give the people what they want, right? Why is that so difficult to do? Can somebody answer that for me? Got to give the people what they want. What do the people want right now, guys? Swing failure pattern, dump to the downside. That's what the people want. Why? Because they want to compound more before we go up more. That's all. So I'm able to put more into a long. That's all I want to do. It's pissing me off. All right. You know what? I'm not going to start this. I'm just going to fucking set it and forget it. I'm probably going to go find the couch because I feel like dog shit. Um, yeah, I'll tune in with you guys later in the Discord. I'll let you guys know, if this plays out, if it doesn't, um, if I can find something I missed, if it doesn't play out, and we'll go from there. Right. All right, guys. Appreciate you stopping by. We'll catch you later.